Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I've reached financial independence, and I talk about topics to help others on their pathway to financial independence. And today is more of a motivational talk. And I think Warren Buffett was someone who said, "You'll always be a slave until you can earn money in your sleep." And I might be paraphrasing that or something, but the idea is, um, if you don't have ways for investments to make money for you, you are going to have to work every day of your entire life. And we all have to eat, have to have housing. Eventually, if you turn age, 62 to 67, you can get Social Security, but it only pays like a third of what you need to live. And so, some folks can live just on Social Security alone. They have their house paid for and little low expenses, but for the vast majority, it's just not enough. So so how do you make money while you sleep? And the way to do that is to invest your money in things that will either appreciate over time or pay passive dividend income, or ideally both. And so I've kind of kept an eye on the passive income stream that comes in to my accounts, and it's been fun to watch that grow over time. And particularly I think about, like, how much money do I make as I sleep? And I did a little summary the other day of all the different accounts that I have across 401k, IRA, HSA, my individual account. I actually have a couple individual brokerage accounts, and just looked at what the passive income flow was. And I have some higher paying um, items in that. So I own a lot of oil pipelines, some energy producers, but I also have quite a bit in cash right now in money market accounts that are paying about 3.3%. But it was fun to realize that on average, I make $18 an hour. And I make $18 an hour, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for just existing, for having these investments. So it's a pretty healthy passive income stream. Um, it would equate to, like, if I was a 40-hour a week worker, it's similar to working, I think, getting $75 an hour for your 40-hour work week, which is a pretty reasonable salary that's out there. But the cool part about this is that this is all passive. I don't have to do a thing to get $18 an hour, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I'm earning money when I sleep, earning money when I'm awake. I don't have to do anything other than hold these investments in order to make this passive income. And it's really, really rather fun. And it kind of, it's fun to kind of look at and realize. And, my kids are about early 20s, 24 to 26. That's the hourly wage that they're making right now in the jobs that they're able to get. My daughter's in school, so hopefully that increases for her. But pretty much the kids are at about that $18 an hour. That's all they can trade their life for, is that amount. And, I make that same amount whether I'm asleep, whether I'm alive. Every hour of every day, I make $18 an hour, because I put the time and effort into investing, saving and investing over many, many years. And I worked 25 years as an engineer, and we still did fun things. We went on vacations, and I bought the things that I needed, but I lived beneath my lifestyle so that I could save and invest. And it's just kind of fun to be able to say that I earn money in my sleep now. Every hour I'm around, I earn $18. If I die, those accounts will still earn $18 an hour. And it's actually more than that, because the stocks are appreciating over time too. So I'm not even counting the capital gains that come in. This is just the passive income that my accounts are now generating. It's a lot of fun. So that's kind of motivation. Keep saving, keep investing, keep learning about the finances, to the point where, make your money work for you even when you sleep. And eventually, it can do really, really well for you. So there's some motivation for you today. Keep investing, keep trying, keep learning. Like, subscribe. We'll see you.